Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you go. You deserve a little bit of better fuel just for that. So in the last couple of episodes we've been talking about how you can improve, how you can take the most out of your bike and the most out of your investment. And today that's not going to be different. You went online or you found some friends to ride with, you went and you did some classes to improve some techniques, to allow you to ride safer, to allow you to ride faster, and now here you are, a born rider with skills that allow you to come alone to places like this. And where's the danger? Well, the danger is mechanical. There you go. Beautiful. Someone is stuck up ahead. We can help. Go, there you go! Go, 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 go! Really? That's a bigger problem. Funny things. I was talking to you guys about mechanical problems and his front brake just jammed. So we're gonna have to fix that. So let's try and push fix that. But first I want to get my bike into the shade and out of the middle of the road.
Now I get it why I crashed. Like, there's nothing. And the first time was completely f***ed up. But the second ones were weird. It was because it was locked.
Okay, so this week I really wanted to talk about knowing a little bit of mechanics, because those are the hidden dangers. Once you know how to ride, once you have a group to ride with, and once you start being more comfortable, you start getting yourself in places like this. And if you don't understand a little bit of mechanics, that's it. Anything can go wrong and you're just stranded. If you have a bike with a lot of electronics, there's not a lot you can do, because, well, if it's a broken wire, you may be able to fix it, but if it's more than that, you're done. Jaco here is going to Africa when?
Later this year.
Okay, later this year. So I invited him to come along to test drive the bike in his very close to final form, and his front caliper. So this thing right here, this is a caliper for those of you that don't know, and when it collapses, it grabs onto the front disc brake. His just jammed on this very nice sandy road, so the bike's not going anywhere until we fix it. Now there's a few lines.
Dude, I think it's simple as that. That's full of sand, because you can feel it.
Oh, it's just not going
So it's
anywhere?
pressing it constantly, so I'm thinking nothing wrong with the caliper.
So it's gonna...
Just gotta clean up that.
There you go, we're just gonna open
Hopefully.
this, take the lever out.
I'll put this back in, I'm gonna mess.
Yeah, that's smart.
I hope it's that easy.
Oh, me too. You did fall the first time to your
Yeah,
right.
on the left side.
On the left side?
Oh, yeah, that makes, yeah.
If it was on the right side, it would make sense.
That's true.
So you don't need to be a professional mechanic to be able to play around with some logic and just...
Oh, you need logic.
Yeah, but you don't need to be a mechanic for it.
No.
Just need logic, like...
Good head on my shoulders.
Exactly. That's a very good way to put it. So a caliper works with oil pressure. The oil pressure comes from the reservoir that is pushing oil onto the lines over the lever. My main idea once we found this was going to be to open the line to let some air in, which is not good because air inside the lines is not going to allow you to brake really well, but it's going to allow you to get out of here and fix it later on. And when you're stuck in a place like this, what you need is to get out of there. But he found some sand, so let's see if that works. You need more tools?
I got everything, hopefully. I've been collecting this batch.
2, 3, jump!
It's that it's not getting enough pressure, the back pressure. What is it called?
Yeah.
So when you clench it, when you release the lever, it should suck it.
And it's not. It's still tight.
But spin it like hard. No, that's probably how it was.
As you just saw, we were riding really well, everything was going on perfectly. I had something set up on my bike to brake so I could fix and explain to you.
Yeah.
No need, his bike broke
Yeah, sorry.
on its own. That's cool.
Yeah, first
Well,
I
but
it
it's
was 5
cool.
minutes, but it took a bit longer. We'll be there shortly.
And that's it. Like the front brake, is it fixed? No. Does it need proper fixing? Yes, of course, because it's not fixed.
No, I
But
dumped.
it's gonna be
I dumped
enough
the lorry 3 times.
for us to get home. And when you are
Yeah, no, 'cause it was the
in a
front
place
brake
like
blocked,
this,
so the first one was
that's
on
what you
me,
need.
but the second
Just
and
need to
third
get
was
home.
not.
And there is no AAA on earth that's gonna come and pick you up. There is a lot of
See you in a minute.
places where you go and adventure yourself, no one's gonna
Exactly.
pass by.
This is the reason I
So
came. All right.
that's it. You need to know a little bit of mechanics. You just need to. There's it. You need to.